Well, greetings and welcome to Tim Time Projects, where today Tim Time is going to find out if he can program a new key for his truck. It's a 2009 Ford F-250, practically brand new. All right, so here's the new key that I just got. And we'll stick it in here. Where is it? I'm trying to make it so you can see. And it will not start. This truck has obviously a key security. There's a transponder in the key. Here's the original key. Let's see if we get that in. See, that one works. So the problem we have is when you only have one key, because I lost the other one, it's almost impossible to do this. But I bought something from Home Depot, of all places. Simple key. For simple people, I guess. And we're going to try and program it. So basically, they send you a blank. They send you the correct blank, as you see it fits. But you have to get it cut. Now, Home Depot, whether they didn't want to or just didn't understand how it worked, since this came through the mail, not directly from the store, they were hesitant and wouldn't cut it. But if you go to a local mom and pop hardware store, anyone that has an old style key cutter, it's a piece of cake. They can cut it. I think it cost me $2.50 to get the key cut. However, it's not coded. So if I follow these directions right here, they give this pamphlet comes with it, and it seems to be pretty straightforward. You get that key, and you also get the module that talks to your computer through the OBD or the old style ALDL connector. And I looked mine up, and mine says to put it in position 4, which I already did. And then, what's the next thing it tells us to do? It says, begin with enter the vehicle, close all doors. Okay, they're all closed. Begin with the vehicle and park and the engine off. Insert the key. Well, I guess you'd have to have the engine off, but okay, insert the key into the run position. So that's not trying to start it, it's just all the way forward. So not until you get to that spring detentor in it. So there it is. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't want to hear any other noises. Okay. You only have about 10 minutes to do this whole. Insert the new key, blah, blah, blah. Remove the security label, put the programmer into the OBD port. Once it's installed, insert and push the button. There's a button on the very back of it. So let's see if we can get to that port connector. All right, I pushed it and it made a sound. Let's see. The beep will insert twice to indicate when the pairing has begun. If it beeps continuously, there's a problem. It says wait approximately 10 minutes. Okay, well, there was a tone, and it came back, the lights came back on, so now it says to remove this from the connector. All right, we're gonna turn the key. Where's that? Turn it off, pull it out, and we're gonna put it in. Hey, that one works. Let's check the original one, if I can find it. And we'll check the original one. Perfect. All right, well, that was definitely a plus. For under $50 to get a key, I think Ford was telling me that they didn't even have one and they have to get me a special one for this. And it was about $70-some, and they couldn't tell me how much it was going to cost to program it. I guess because the truck's so old, they just don't do that many of them. So anyhow, for under 50 bucks, well, 50 bucks, and then to get it cut. So under $60, I'm back in and I got 2 keys. Yay! All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. And if you need one, the company's Simple Key. And I know that Home Depot is one place that does sell them. So thanks for watching. Take care.